how to transition to a new role. So transition require first transferable skill. Do you have a transferable skills? That is the first question. Do you have transferable skills? That is the first question. Second, do you have the exposure that can actually give you the feel of that? Let's say you want to go to the brand management. Do you understand the brand positioning, the brand marketing, the brand probably style? How do I probably represent my brand? And so on and so forth. So that's the exposure part. Third is, do you have any result? Also understand that people with a higher salary are expecting you to add value. Do you agree with that? People with a higher salary, you said my salary should not be compromised. Yeah, I want to be the senior manager. My salary should be XYZ. That is what you want. Then people also who hire you, they will say, okay, next day, okay, give me a presentation. How will you improve my brand from the current state to the next level? Very simple question, right? Because you say, I am a brand manager. So that is what is going to be asked. So do you have the answer? Now you say, I only know the go-to-market strategy. Help me understand, how will you take my brand to the next level? That is the question. Do you have the answer to that? That is the reason I ask you transferable skill, exposure, and some tangible result that you feel that it is related to that. If you do not have any result which can relate to the transferable skills, then you are just bluffing in the market saying that, oh, because I know this, I know brand management. Yes or no? Because I know this, I know the brand management. The best way to transition to any role is within the organization and not outside the organization. So have you tried the brand management role within the organization is the real question. If you are asking for outside management or outside organization, why would people trust you outside organization when your own organization is not trusting you right now for the brand management? What are you expecting out of it? If you are so capable, if you are doing so many courses, why you cannot be trusted by your own organization? That is a question. So if you want to have a transition, first get the experience within the organization by taking your transition, because it is a known system. The known system will give you some comfort which you change system will not give you. Correct? So you want to first experiment with your known system, then go to the unknown system and probably perform. That is how your strategy should be if you want to transition to the new role.